Guys, welcome to Mind Matter. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today I gonna analyze the half greasing methods in a trailer, Leyland and heavy commercial vehicles. We'll briefly discuss the process of half greasing method. First of all, we need to stabilize the vehicles in a proper position. After that, up with jack, remove the tire from wheels, place the lug wrench to loosen the lug nut. After that lug nut, after that open the use the wrench and loosen the lug axle plate. And, remove the drive axle, open the hub drum, remove the bearing assembles hub as well as from the wheels. After that first process, we need to clean up all the bearings or hubs and brake assembly. After that we are cleaning the brake drum, also brake assembly with cleaning the old grease. This is totally worn out grease totally. So we are cleaning bearing as well as seam and protectors. This is grease protector, and just that's our mechanics are this is are cleaning properly with a diesel. They are kerosene or diesel you can utilized to clean up all the assembly, that is hub assembly, that is this is the bearings, all the parts, spindle you can clean up. Utilizing the new grease, you definitely clean up all the assembly like hub spindle, properly clean up all the bearing assembly, properly clean up studs, properly clean up and just with utilizing this is to totally put the you can utilize a kerosene oil as well as diesel and put all the assembly for 10 minutes and clean up with properly using. After that, using the high good quality grease, you can use good quality grease to utilize and properly you can manually use with hand, use until it squeeze it out all over the bearings, and properly use can use the hammer for the proper positions of the bearing seams, protector as well as outer racer. You definitely put the outer racer over the axles, spindle. First of all, this is inner racer. The total methods the mechanics are using total all over all the bearings parts. First you can put the inner racer, after that bearings totally after that seam protector, after that grease protector you can usually used. After that hub, you can grease up the hub totally with manually with hand until it squeeze out up. After that can fit the hub cap with hands and the wrench to totally tighten up the nuts. After that put it through the spindle and assemble it, reinstall it properly. Mechanics are reassemble it. You can see the total method. Use the hammering totally tighten up and with a proper position, and you can use this is the inner racer. The mechanics are putting into this hubs, assemble, reinstall it. This is and title up with hammer, and so totally it is the heavy commercial vehicles. The mechanics are this is totally and all the briefing process you can utilize different kind of range you can utilize, and also or you can utilize with manually. So our mechanics are doing manually, and after that using spanner to tighten up the assemblies what are installed and utilize and spanner hammer and tighten up the mechanics. What is the process this is mechanics are doing, and the mechanics are properly checking the is it good position or not. that is the check nut with a seam protector, and mechanics I tighten up with using hammering with a proper position, and that is proper position or no is are not. So mechanics are putting after that reinstall it is the brake half drum reinstall it the mechanics. This is the half drum. After that, this is totally process method. So mechanics, don't forget to subscribe my channels. After that, plus the protectors and these protectors install it, and use the quarter pin and nut and quarter pin to tighten it up properly to hold the all the assembly behind, and use the solutions for proper positioning and utilizing and tighten up and fitting it into the assembles. This is the totally process the mechanics are using manually one by one. After that, assemble the axle and drive axle into the that is totally fitted up with different tools. After that, tighten up the nuts one by one by using hammer wrench and tighten up and holes. This is totally the mechanics are doing hard work and putting this is using manually, and this is the happy commercial vehicles, and this is the drive axle. This is also Leyland vehicles mechanics are manually wrench, and after that is totally method. So briefly discussing the what is the process of the manually doing the range all that. This is totally process of that.